Ever wanted to start an online store but felt overwhelmed by the idea of sourcing and managing inventory? Dropshipping is a fantastic way to get into e-commerce without the hassle of holding stock. DSers is a powerful tool that streamlines the entire process, making it easier than ever to find profitable products, list them on your store, and fulfill orders without ever touching the products yourself. 1. What is DSers and why should you use it? Introduce DSers as a dropshipping app that integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify. Highlight the benefits of using DSers, such as easy product sourcing from AliExpress, automatic order fulfillment, price and inventory updates, built-in shipping options, tracking and order management. 2. How to set up DSers. Walk through the steps of installing the DSers app on your Shopify store. Explain how to connect your DSers account to AliExpress. 3. Finding winning products. Discuss strategies for finding profitable products to sell on your store. Mention using DSers built-in search tools and filters to identify trending items with high profit margins. 4. Listing products on your store. Demonstrate how to import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store using DSers. Explain how to customize product descriptions, images, and pricing. 5. Fulfilling orders. Outline the process of fulfilling orders placed through your DSers-powered store. Discuss how DSers automatically communicates with your AliExpress suppliers to process and ship orders. 6. Managing your store. Briefly cover other features of DSers, such as order tracking, customer support, and analytics. Emphasize the importance of staying organized and monitoring your store's performance. 7. Tips for success. Share valuable tips for maximizing your success with DSers, such as choosing the right niche, building a strong brand, effective marketing strategies, providing excellent customer service. Encourage viewers to sign up for DSers and start their own dropshipping business. Offer a link or discount code for your viewers. Wrap up by summarizing the key points covered in the video and reiterate the benefits of using DSers. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tutorials.